What you want, what you want, what you want me to do? Can't you see, can't you see, can't you see I'm a fool? Asam kakray, watching wama. Yes, I'm kids way, watching it tin, 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 tin. Hello, Ghana. My name is Amanova, and I'm an Afrobeat and R&B singer. I've been doing music this is my third year. Professionally, I started music in 2018 till now, yeah. As cliche as it may sound, actually music found me along the way. It took me 27 years of my life to know that I had this talent. But regardless, I've always been a chorister in church, yeah. The people around me, actually, most of the time I get my family, which is my big brother. After my mom passed, he was my guardian, and he's like, sis, I think you can do this. But I always felt like, nah, I can't, until one day I'm like, okay, let me give it a try. So it was something I just tried, and then it just worked. There was no particular reason why I started music. I was just giving it a try because the people around me told me that I can do it. And then I tried it and I was like, oh damn, I actually have some talent right there. And yeah. Okay, there's some songs that I wrote but it never came out. But okay, I think it was some Broken Heart song. I remember the short chorus. Wa da da meow da 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 me. I think that was the chorus actually. My creative process, normally I'm a very traditional person. When I get a beat from a producer, I listen to the beat for a few days, maybe 2-3 days. Because every instrument in the beats actually calls me differently. I relate to it differently, which is like the bass, the piano, the kicks, the drums, everything. And then once I have soaked the beats, then I get the feeling, okay, this is a love song, this is an inspirational song, or whatever vibe I'll get with it. Then I start my writing process. But I don't take more than a day to write a song, actually. Locally, I think it would be Jackie, or I love Manifest, yeah. So I think I would love to do something with Manifest. Internationally, I'm in love with Ed Sheeran, so I'd love to do something with Ed Sheeran, definitely. I think Adele or Rihanna. That is if Rihanna is still going to be doing music for us. But yeah, definitely Rihanna and Adele. I've loved Rihanna for a very long time. I love her fashion sense. I love her personality and her voice. It's just, And Adele, I love Adele because Adele does sad songs. And naturally, I love sad songs. Like, sad songs just makes me happy. I don't know. It would be Rihanna. Yes, Rihanna again. I love Love on the Brain, and I love Stay from Rihanna. Okay. Let me process that first. So won't you stay? No, that's wrong. That's a different Stay. Okay, so round and around and around and around we go. Oh, now tell me now, tell me now, tell me now, you know. Not really sure how to feel about it. Something in the way you move makes me feel like I can't live without you. It takes me all the way, and I want you to stay. My biggest dream is actually to be in a very big auditorium singing to people across the world. Actually, I want people from weird countries that don't even understand my language to hear my music and appreciate it. Like people from India, Antarctica, Pacific Oceans, all the weird places that you can think of. I want them to listen to my music and appreciate it. Yeah. The Ghanaian music industry, well, we've come a long way so far. I know it's not an easy industry and we all want the best, but what I would love to be changed in this industry is I want all genres to be accepted. I know that there are a lot of artists here that have vocals, but because they feel like, like R&B songs are not really like a main genre in Ghana, so it's like they are giving up on their career, or they're switching to certain genres that they know they can't do their best on, which is like Afrobeat. It's like in Ghana right now, if you don't do Afrobeat, dance or high life, it's like you're not even a part of it, and it's really sad. So if like our main award scheme, which is VGMA, would have a category that has R&B or Afro soul on it, I feel like a lot of musicians who are doing these genres can come out more and do their best. In 5 years, I want to be all over. I want my music to be in different countries. Like I said, I want my music to be in different countries where they would appreciate my music, even though they don't even understand what I'm saying. That is actually what I'm looking forward to. Well, this hairstyle actually came about when I released my song 7 Miles. It was random, actually. The videographer, Samsung Studios, big up to him. He was like, I'ma do something out of your comfort zone, do a crazy hairstyle, something colorful. And I told my hairstylist, I'm like, can you pull this off for me? Because I got a picture on the internet. And he's like, yeah, let's do it. So it was supposed to be meant for just a video shoot for 7 Miles. But the video came out and everybody was talking about the hair. Like, oh my God, I love your mop hairs. I'm like, I'm getting more colors anyway. Let's do it. And then it just stuck with me. And it's been amazing. I love it. Actually, we just entered a new year and I'm working towards an EP. So, Ghanaians should look forward to that. Good music only. I'm doing 7 Miles, actually. I love this song. It's very special because it's something I noticed in church that made me write this song. I realized that there are a lot of married couples or people in committed relationships that don't respect their partners. And I noticed something in church where there's this older couple in church, and the man is so respected in church until one day I heard him disrespect his wife. Like, he just spoke to the woman anyhow in public. And this is an older woman who would be like in her 50s. And I was like, wow. And so many people can relate to this because there are some women that don't know how to talk to their partners in the public. There are some men that don't know how to talk to their wives in public. So in like some part of the music, I'm like, say you woni pe moi, aya somimu. So ubu weni tremia meti wasie. Yeah, and kasa menim basa basa. Nasanya man kitten and mamereho. So this is what this song is based on. Yeah. Sembina mekanye memvempa diama menti wase adio done nyamatami mini baby a kontina banesa sa nya ubeka bia na mese fami ko do a day I fami ko do a day. Some dream I wanna walk with you, baby. I'm doing this journey with you. I find me go through a day, baby. Forever and just long, baby. Forever and just long. When I said that I loved you, I meant it with all of your flaws, and I love your imperfections. So, baby, you, this love that do me a ju. Menya me akaya katia, mami no me ho. Say I want ni pamu asomi mu. Odobu weni shramya mete wasi. Ayan kasa meni basa na sanya makiti na ma mi wire u odwe. I fami ko do odwe. Asum jemu, I wanna walk with you. Baby, I'm doing this journey with you. I found me called to a day. Baby, forever enters long. Baby, forever enters long. Say about them what say about them what. Family to kuku subomi komodo. I'm in zero gakirai. Wipe out my tears away. Can you be my hero? Ada kakira, sika kakirai. Mami go do a day. Mami go do a day. Assume dream who I wanna walk with you. Baby, I'm doing this journey with you. I mami go do a day. Baby, forever enters long. Baby, forever enters long. Baby, forever enters long. Enters long. Baby, forever enters long. Far away, midway, far away. All the family go.